The replay mod is now on Bedrock, and here's how to use it. I downloaded mine from MCPDL and it's called Replaycraft. You're gonna wanna create a world and then activate the resource pack. Activate Replaycraft on the resource pack, and that automatically activates it on the behavior packs. And then you go on to experiments and then you turn on meta APIs. So that's basically it. After that, you're done. So then you're gonna create the world. Okay, so once you've entered the world, you're gonna wanna type /rc controls on commands, and then that gives you two sticks, replay and cinematic. So for this video, I will be just focusing on the replay feature. So what you're gonna do to use replay feature, you're gonna wanna long press, and then click yes. And then it gives you start recording, load the replay, delete the replay, and settings. So you're gonna start a replay, name it. For me, I'm just gonna name it 1 because this is just an example. And then the recording has started. So you're gonna proceed to your build. For example, you wanna build this shape, that shape, yeah. And then after you've done it, you're gonna save recording, and then you're gonna click preview replay free cam, and that gives you this. And then you're gonna want to record it with your to record the replay. You're gonna have to use your own recording system, like the one built in onto your phone or an app, because it doesn't automatically saves on your device. You have to record it yourself. So that's all. That's how you use it. And I'll make a video about it more. Bye bye.